So we're back at BSMA Europe 2024 conference. We're on break here in Laayout, and I had the pleasure to welcome Stan Vanlandeghem. Thank you very much for being with us today.
Thank you for having me.
So you're with company Exam Packaging. Some of the people that are watching know about the company, but some not. So can you tell us a little bit about the company first?
Yeah, sure. So XM Packaging, as the name suggests, is active in the temperature-controlled packaging space, specifically for the pharma and biologics space. We've been doing this for almost 40 years now, principally located in Belgium. And to provide the best services, we developed quite an extensive in-house capability over the years, really being able to help customers from testing phase to validation phase to manufacturing and large-scale distribution. So that's really our focus point.
Quite a large field. So talking about the products and what are the latest innovations or developments maybe you've seen?
Yeah, so from our end, one of the three main things we're focused on right now is pre-qualification. So we see a big demand, especially from smaller players in the market that want to have a high threshold on quality, but don't necessarily have the knowledge or the expertise to set up a whole custom validation tract. So we've been doing thousands of tests to be able to speed up that process. So we use that data to quickly design products more suited to every individual case. We see reuse in the market being a big thing. Obviously, environmental is important, and preserving of the resources. Finally, we have patented a new solution that is made for long-term shipping use cases. So one of the aims of that program is to help convert some of the air freight into ocean freight. We've been apparently talking about it for 30 years in the industry, but we think we have a pretty good sweet spot there to start tackling that.
So congrats for this development and these patents products. And so you mentioned a few challenges like the shift from air to ocean. So do you see like one challenge or like many, but like just one challenge that you see in the industry?
Yeah, I would say one of the main challenges we face now, especially looking at sustainability, quick development, is data fragmentation. It's very hard in an integrated global supply chain to figure out what is going to happen to your product and by default our product around it. And that's really one of the things we would like to see addressed and we're trying to address. So one of it is accelerating the speed of development and being able to simulate certain environments, but also relying on platforms like Validate, like Smart CAE. And really it's the integration part that I think holds the most promise today, because it will allow us to find a better fit with our customers on the one hand, and on the other hand, you can optimize for a lot of different variables.
That's great. So that's also really a collaborative project process with all stakeholders. So thank you very much for being with us today.
Thank you.
Thank you for being with BSMA today. Thank you.
Great to be here. Thank you. Thank you.